Christmas has its own story, a story of light, of hope, and of dream miracles that happen quietly. Today I am sharing with you a Christmas story that begins with a simple star, a star that had been waiting for hundreds of years to find a home. This is the tale of the Christmas star that chose a home. Far, far away in the winter sky there was a small star named Elio. Elio was not the brightest star, not the biggest. He had always watched the world from above. Families decorating trees, children laughing, and streets glowing with lights. But each year, when Christmas came, Elio felt something calling him, a whisper in the wind, a warm feeling in the cold sky, as if Christmas was waiting for him too. Still, Elio remained alone, wishing he could be part of joy he saw below. Below Elio's shimmering place in the sky was a tiny town named Willowbrook. In the center of the town lived a girl named Lena who loved Christmas more than anyone. But this year was different. Her father had lost his job, money was tight, and this family could not afford a Christmas tree or decorations. Lena told her mother, Mama, Christmas still comes even when things are hard, right? Her mother smiled softly. Yes, my dear, Christmas is not what we buy, it's what we feel. Still, the little house felt empty and Lena missed the sparkle. High above, Elio watched Lena through her frosted windows. He saw her placing sticks in the jar, trying to make a tree. He saw her smile even when her heart was sad. And in the moment, Elio made a wish. I wish to shine for her. I want to bring Christmas back to this little home. But stars are not supposed to leave the sky. They never move from their places. Yet something magical happened in winter. Christmas gives courage even to the smallest of lights. On Christmas evening, when the town slept under the blanket of snow, Elio felt a warmth spreading through him. Christmas magic he had never known. Suddenly, he began to glow brighter than he ever had. Brighter, brighter, until he slipped from the sky like a gentle spark. He drifted down through the cold air, dancing like a snowflake, and finally landed quietly right outside Lena's window. Early morning, Lena opened the window and gasped. There, resting on the snow, was a tiny glowing star, warm, soft, and shimmering with golden light. Mama, Papa, look, she said. Her parents came rushing, and when they saw the star, they felt something they had not felt for a long time. Hope. They placed the glowing star gently on the little stick tree Lena had made, and instantly the entire room filled the warm light like a hug made of sunshine. They laughed, they carried, they held each other close. And for the first time in a month, their home felt alive again. Word spread through Willowbrook about the mysterious glowing stars in Lena's house. Neighbors who had been fighting came together. Families who felt lonely visited each other. People shared food, warmth, and handmade gifts. It was as if a wave of kindness swept through the whole town. Everyone said, this year Christmas feels real again. And the little star kept glowing softly, as if smiling. On Christmas night, Lena whispered to the star, you can go back. If you want, the stars belong in the sky. The star flickered gently, almost like a shake of the head. Christmas had finally given Elio what he always wanted, a home where he gifted mattered. And so every year after that, the little star stayed with the family. It didn't glow every day, only on Christmas, only when the world needed a reminder that even the smallest light can change everything. And that is the story of the Christmas star that choose a home. A story of hope, magic, and the light we give each other. Because Christmas is not in the sky, it's in the heart that choose to shine. If you want, I can also create. You can make your Christmas more beautiful. Keep sharing, keep spread happiness, togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. Keep spreading something that is beautiful, that is more beautiful than ever. So, viewers, God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy and beautiful day. And I wish your all world is beautiful. Keep crafting, keep doing something best, something spread happiness, togetherness, and many more. So, viewers, this is the message for you. I hope your evening is best evening in your life, and upcoming evening is more beautiful, more happiness, full of happiness, creativity, and many more you want to have in your life. I wish. So, viewers, thank you for watching. Thank you for be a part of this beautiful journey and this beautiful video. Hope you like these designs and decorating ideas. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. I wish your home fulfilled with togetherness, happiness, creativity. Keep crafting something beautiful. Keep doing well. Thank you.